Don't forget to sign up for my 5-day free course if you haven't already. The link is below in the comment section below the video. And this course is a great way to jumpstart your intuitive art practice by breaking through self-doubt, overthinking, and creative blocks. It's a great way to find your true voice. So sign up today. Hello and welcome to Michelle Holden Art, Beyond Mixed Media. And this week's video is a little bit about finding the time to show up as much as I can on a daily basis, which of late has been quite challenging. So I've been wanting to start this series for a long time, and it's going to be coming up, and I am going to offer it as a challenge down the road. And I think I've mentioned it a couple of times and got a few yays. It's going to be a 2020 challenge. 20 days, 20 minutes, 20 pages. I think that's a great number. So we're just sort of warming up to the fact. Very simple materials, even less than I would choose in materials, 2 art tools, and a few bright colors. I'm going to treat my substrate, my paper, differently, using some new fun tools that I found at the dollar store, art tools for kids. I love how thick and comfortable the handles are, mostly for stenciling. And if you think you can carve out 20 minutes daily or almost daily, and the benefits are incredible. The goal is to just, how do I want the feeling of my art to come through. I don't want to think, I want to just discover that. So it's all about discovering your true voice. 20 minutes, the 2020, and this is just a warm-up. So if this is interesting to you, stay with the video and let's get started. So I've selected different collage papers. This is deli wrap. Oh, they're all deli wrap. Some last week were tissue paper and medical paper. So if you haven't heard of medical paper, it's the stuff if you go for a massage or the doctor's office, the paper that they put down, and you can buy it in rolls on Amazon. My previous pages, and these are the accent colors that I might use. I use 1 or 2 of them. And don't forget, if you really get stuck, I've got a set of 60 art prompts right now. So if you sign up, you get the 2 art prompts, and I think there's more there in that sign up. So then you'll be part of my newsletter, and it comes out. I'm trying to get it out twice a month and build up to more. And these are great. And you can use them in different ways. I've used them on this YouTube channel many times. So check those out. And I'm going to just stop narrating right now so then I can speed up portions of this video. I've been fascinated with blue, and I want to keep going. And that's why I only want to use a little bit of these colors. Mixing blues together, using black as well, using white. These are Liquitex fluid that I'm using today. I'm not taping the edges. I want this to be free and flowing, and let's see what happens. And so that was 20 minutes. And of course, I stopped the camera and then forgot to start my watch again, but it wasn't too long, so I sort of approximated. Next time, I'll try not to do that, or I'll use my iPad on the side. So I found that pretty good. I'm sort of really exploring not to think about things. Yes, you will use some of your own default moves, but over time, I plan to discover just more from me and trying to block out all the other influences, which is a challenge. I know I might be, taking a bit of a big chunk, but that's okay. And these, not to say that you can't sort of tweak them, but I want to leave them just the way they are for how that 20-minute session went. So it's a great way to connect to how you're feeling. And this is definitely showing my mood of, disorientation or self-doubt and all of these things, which I know a lot of you have with your art out there. But showing up for 20 minutes, giving it a really good let go session is so satisfying. And then over time, you'll be able to look back and maybe discover your authentic voice. So I hope this was helpful. Stay tuned for the next week's video, which will be much of the same, different materials, and stay tuned for that upcoming challenge. Don't forget to try my 5-day course. It sets you up for your intuitive art journaling practice. And I should have mentioned that at the beginning, but that's okay. And I'll see you in the next video.